Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with the HubSpot and PandaDoc integration in just a few simple steps. From the PandaDoc dashboard, click Extensions in the left sidebar to open the Extensions Marketplace. The Extensions page loads showing all available add-ons and integrations you can connect to your PandaDoc account. Once the page loads, click the Integrations tab at the top to view all available integrations. This filters the view to show only the third-party platforms that connect with PandaDoc. Scroll down and click the HubSpot integration card to open its details panel. A side panel slides in from the right with information about the HubSpot integration and what it enables. In the integration panel that appears, click the Connect button to begin the authorization flow. A HubSpot OAuth window opens showing your available HubSpot accounts. You'll see a list of any HubSpot accounts currently signed in on this browser. Select the HubSpot account you want to connect by clicking its radio button. Click the Choose Account button at the bottom to proceed with that account. A permissions review screen appears showing what data PandaDoc will access. This lists the specific HubSpot data and actions PandaDoc needs to sync documents and contacts between the two platforms. Check the box at the bottom to agree to HubSpot terms and privacy policy. Click the Connect App button to complete the integration and return to PandaDoc. If you need to disconnect HubSpot later, head back to the Integrations tab in Extensions and you'll find a disconnect option on the HubSpot card. You can connect multiple HubSpot portals to the same PandaDoc account if you work across different organizations. Once connected, you'll be able to send PandaDoc documents directly from HubSpot contact and deal records, and any completed documents will sync back to HubSpot automatically. And that's how to connect HubSpot to PandaDoc. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.